Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope so. You are fine, doing good. How do you do? Okay students, we were doing active and passive voice today in the second lesson. We yesterday we have learned about the present tenses rules. Today we are going to learn about the past tenses rule, how we are going to change active and passive voice with the formula of SVO into OVS with the help of using by and different helping verbs and the change of the first, second and third person. So let's start with me the past tense examples and rules. Okay students, we will learn about the future tenses. See with me. Future, subject, will, shall and first form of verb we use, and when we will make the passive voice, the verb will change into third form of verb. Now check the example. My parents will take me to the party. My parents will take me to the party. I will be taken to the party by my parents. Me will change into I. Okay, here you can see me has been changed into I. Next example we will see about is future, going to. How we will utilize this active voice into passive voice. Subject is MR with the helping verb going to, first form of verb, and when passive voice will come, going to be, and the third form of verb will come. Now check the example. Ima is going to make a dinner tonight. Ima is going to make a dinner tonight. A dinner is going to be made by Ima tonight. Okay, sometimes some words will come here, then we will do it before. Sometimes here will come they, will change it in them. So it is according to the table which you will learn. See, future continuous, will, rare use. Again this tense has been rarely used in active and passive voice. Subject, will, shall plus be, use of be, and first form of verb with ing, and when it will turn, the third form of verb with the help of ing. See the example. Lime will be washing the dishes at 7 p.m. tonight. So how will change into the passive voice? The dishes will be being washed by Lime at 7 p.m. tonight. It is very interesting. If you will maintain your interest in it, you will learn. Your rules should be on your fingertips. Okay. Now check the next, future continuous, when the be going to is coming in a sentence. What will be the changes? Subject am is our helping verbs, going to plus be plus the addition of ing, and we will change into passive voice. Only the verb third form will be changed. Other same rule will be the like active voice. Check the example. Isabella is going to be preparing dinner. Dinner is going to be being prepared by Isabella. Okay, the turning of the subject and object and the form of verb. So learn these rules, do practice at home again and again, so your active and passive voice will be on your fingertips. Now future perfect tense example, we will see subject will have, verb third form will come, then subject will have been, and the third form of verb will come in the passive voice. Active voice example is they will have completed the project before the deadline. Now the change into the passive voice, the project will have been completed before the deadline. Okay, so this is the part where subject, object and verb is not entering, so we can put it on the same way here. Okay, I hope so students, you are getting my point. Is it clear to you or not? If you are finding any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, I will help you in every way, and I will share the link with you as well. Here all the rules have been given. Future perfect tense. Now see the example where we use the going to They are going to have completed the project before the deadline. The project is going to have been completed before the deadline. Okay. So here students, I have shared one worksheet with you on the 10th of August that you have to complete. There were some sentences, I will repeat them. The crew paved the entire stretch of highway. Mom read the novel in one day. I will clean the house every Saturday. I did not bear her. I will never forget this experience. Mother made a cake yesterday. The boy teased the girl. Did she do her duty? The tiger was chasing the deer. She has written a novel. She has learned her lessons. So these are 10 active voice. What you are going to do, you are going to take a loose sheet. You will draw a line here. Here you will write active voice, and here on the second part of the sheet you will write passive voice, and you will change this active voice according to the given rules into passive voice, and you will submit your homework into the group. Thank you so much.